Hello Year 9, it's Miss Conway here talking to you about the different science options that you have for GCSE. Now, as I'm sure you're all aware, you all have to take science for GCSE, but there is two different versions of science that you could take. One of them is combined science and one of them is triple science. Now, they are slightly different and a lot of what is covered in both sciences is exactly the same. So we'll have a quick look first at combined science. So combined science, you will still cover biology, chemistry and physics, and you'll have to sit 2 exams for each of those. Now, what will happen is once you've taken all of those exams, your marks will be combined all together, averaged out, and you will leave with 2 GCSEs. If you decide to take triple science, you still cover biology, chemistry, physics. There are still 6 papers, 2 papers for each of them. But this time you will only have your biology papers count together, your chemistry papers count together, and your physics papers count together. So overall, the structure of the 2 versions of science is exactly the same. But what is different is the number of lessons that you have and the number of teachers. So for combined science, you will have 2 teachers over the course of the next few years, and for triple science, you will have 3 teachers. So what will you learn? Well, I put a list of topics here that you will do for combined science and for triple science. So everything that you do in combined science, you will do in triple science. That's exactly the same. But there will be a few extra aspects to triple science that combined won't do. For example, if you look over at the physics topics, there's space physics there, which is for triple science only. So if you're doing combined science, I'm sorry, you won't be learning about space. Most of the time, the triple science will just take different aspects of the topics and take them into much more detail there. But the basic concepts are all exactly the same. So on this slide here, you will see all of the teachers who are in the department at the moment and what their specialisms are, whether it's biology, chemistry or physics. So these will be the people who will be teaching you science over the next few years. So if you are taking triple science, you will have a biology teacher, a chemistry teacher and a physics teacher. If you're taking combined science, as I said earlier, you will have 2 teachers and they will cover the range of specialisms from biology, chemistry and physics. So if you want to take triple science, then please do express your interest to your teachers. What will happen is the teachers who teach you at the moment, they will have a sit down and think about who might be interested in triple science and who might be able to take triple science, and they will put a list together. But if you are thinking that you might want to do triple science, please do talk to your teachers as well, and they can combine those lists together. And once that's happened, we will then send out invites asking you if you would like to join the course, and then we will go from there. So if you have any further questions, please do talk to your science teachers in their lessons or after their lessons, as long as you're not late to your next lesson. Thank you.